Light to moderate with occasional heavy rains were experienced over southern Leyte and Cebu early this evening, while here in Metro Manila and most of Luzon only experienced partly cloudy to cloudy skies most of the day. Good evening. Here is our weather forecast for tomorrow, Thursday, January 9, Feast of the Black Nazarene. The throw of low pressure area is affecting Mindanao as northeast monsoon continues to prevail over Luzon. Tomorrow, Visayas and most of Mindanao, particularly over Zamboanga Peninsula, will experience cloudy skies with light to moderate rain showers and thunderstorms, while most of Luzon will have partly cloudy to cloudy skies with some isolated light rains. The rest of the country will be partly cloudy to cloudy with some isolated rain showers or thunderstorms. Tomorrow, as we celebrate the Feast of the Black Nazarene, devotees who will flock and join the procession here in Manila will have a generally fair weather condition apart from possible light rains due to the northeast monsoon. Colder early morning temperatures is expected to persist, while winds will be light to moderate coming from the northeast. Moderate to strong winds blowing from the northeast will prevail over northern Luzon and eastern sections of central and southern Luzon and of Visayas. Coastal waters along these areas will be moderate to rough. Meanwhile, the cloud mass we are monitoring these past few days outside the Philippine Area of Responsibility east of Mindanao is now a low pressure area according to Japan Meteorological Agency. It is expected to enter the Philippine Area of Responsibility by Friday, and it might also affect Mindanao, Visayas, and southern Luzon this weekend. This low pressure area has a chance to turn into a tropical depression or a storm and will be named Agaton, the first tropical disturbance to enter the Philippine Area of Responsibility for the year 2014. Strong to gale force winds associated with the surge of northeast monsoon is expected to affect the seaboards of northern Luzon. That is why Pag-asa issued a gale warning today. Affected areas over the seaboards of northern Luzon are Batanes, Calayan, Babuyan, northern coast of Cagayan, and northern coast of Ilocos Norte. Expect the sea condition over these areas to be rough to very rough with 3.4 to 4.5 meter high waves. Fishing boats and other small sea crafts are still advised by Pag-asa not to venture out into the sea. Vessels are alerted against big waves. And here is our 3-day extended weather outlook from selected places around the country. Partly cloudy to cloudy skies with some isolated light rains are expected here in Metro Manila for tomorrow until Friday, and partly cloudy to cloudy skies with some isolated rain showers or thunderstorms is expected for Saturday with average temperatures of 22 to 30 degrees Celsius. Over Baguio City, partly cloudy to cloudy skies with some isolated light rains are expected over the next 3 days with low temperatures of 12 to 22 degrees Celsius. Tomorrow, Puerto Princesa City will be cloudy with rain showers or thunderstorms by Friday. It will be partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorms, and again cloudy with rain showers or thunderstorms on Saturday with temperatures of 25 to 31 degrees Celsius. Over Metro Cebu, tomorrow will be partly cloudy to cloudy skies with some isolated rain showers or thunderstorms, and cloudy with rain showers or thunderstorms for Friday and Saturday with temperatures of 24 to 31 degrees Celsius. And Metro Davao, over the next 3 days, will be partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorms with temperatures of 24 to 31 degrees Celsius. Sunrise will be late at 23 minutes past 6 in the morning, while sunset will be at 5:40 in the afternoon. And for our astronomy news of the day, the latest news from space.com, a massive solar flare erupted from the sun last Tuesday, January 7, rising up from what appears to be one of the largest sunspot groups seen on the star's surface in a decade, NASA officials say. NASA's Solar Dynamic Observatory captured a video of the huge solar flare as it developed, showing it as an intense burst of radiation from the colossal sunspot region known as AR1944. The sunspot group, which is currently in the middle of the sun as viewed from Earth, is one of the largest sunspots seen in the last 10 years. NASA officials wrote in a statement, "It is as wide as 7 Earths," they said. Tuesday's big flare was an X1.2 class solar event on the scale used to classify sunstorms. It occurred at 1832 GMT and came just hours after the M7.2 class flare. Space weather officials at the Space Weather Prediction Center, overseen by NOAA, are expecting the flare to spark geomagnetic storms in Earth's magnetic field, when a wave of super hot solar plasma associated with a flare known as a coronal mass ejection reaches Earth in the next few days. When aimed directly at Earth, the strongest fast solar flares can pose a risk to astronauts in orbit and interrupt communication and navigation satellite operations. There are currently 6 astronauts living on the International Space Station as part of the Outpost Expedition 38 crew. The team includes 2 Russian cosmonauts, 2 NASA astronauts, and 1 Japanese astronaut. And that is our weather forecast for tomorrow, Tuesday, January 9. For NewsLife, this is Edmond Rosales giving you the latest weather update. Clear skies be with you always.